So today in this video tutorial we will learn about how to make a simulation for the Boyle's law within the FET.com online simulator. So how we can do that? First of all, we need to write PHET FET simulations. And here Google guide us to their website. Okay, now let wait so that all the simulations will open. Now we will go to simulation tabs and we can click on physics. Okay, and now we have a lot of simulations here which are already been built. Okay, we will search for our gaseous laws. And here it is. So we need to click on gases intro. Again, click on it. We can click on laws. Okay, now you can see that we have a simple device or simple apparatus which consists of pressure gauge, which consists of a chamber, a gas chamber, a thermometer, a heat source, heating and cooling source, okay, and one pump, one gas pump. So now we will try to keep the temperature constant. Okay, wait, let me, okay, they said our volume nothing. Okay, let us suppose that we will introduce certain gas. Now what Boyle's law states that the pressure exerted by the gas molecules on the walls of the gas chamber must be inversely related with that of the volume of the chamber. Means that more is the volume of the chamber, less will be the gas pressure executed, or less will be the gas pressure exerted by the gas molecules on the walls of the chamber. So now we will introduce certain gas. Now you can see that I have introduced certain gas. So now you can see that our pressure has increased a lot. There's too much pressure. Okay, now, and this pressure is due to the collision of these molecules on the walls of the gas chamber. Okay, now we will try to increase the volume of the gas chamber. And now you can see that more is the volume of the gas chamber, less will be the pressure. Okay, now see the pressure drops very much, and now this is the maximum volume we can make. So in this way we can simulate our what's called as the Boyle's law. So hopefully you got the concept. So thanks for visiting our channel and don't forget to subscribe.